Welcome to another video from 254repair.com. In this video, we're going to cover the repair of a Galaxy S5 Active. We start by warming up the screen to loosen up the adhesive that holds the LCD into the frame. Parts of the video will be sped up so you don't get bored watching us doing the same thing over and over again. In the case of this phone, the LCD was broken, so the only thing that we're doing is warming it up to loosen up the screen so we can remove it. It's not especially important to take it out in one piece since it's already broken. At this moment in the process, we're going to remove all the extra adhesive that is left from the broken screen. It's very important to clean up all the surface before we apply new adhesive. Once the surface is completely clean, we're going to start applying the new adhesive, but we're going to leave the protective plastic on it. Once we test the screen, we're going to remove the protective plastic and glue the new screen into place. As you can see, it's a long and tedious process, so we're going to fast forward this part of the video as we apply the adhesive throughout all the frame. At this moment, we're ready to test the new screen. So we're going to go ahead and connect the LCD connector to the phone and turn it on. Test the LCD display and the touch screen. Make sure everything works before we glue the screen to the frame. Everything looks fine, so we're going to go ahead and remove the battery, remove the screen, and start removing the adhesive protective plastic. After that, we'll place the home button, menu buttons, and back button back into place and secure the screen to the frame. We are in the final step of this repair. So we remove the protective plastic of the new screen, connect the LCD to the frame, and glue the screen into place. This concludes the repair of the Galaxy S5 Active. We hope that this video was instructional for you. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website and give us a call. Thank you.